Picture this. You're stuck in traffic. Again. Rush hour, horns blaring, and your patience is wearing thinner than your phone battery after a long day. The minutes tick by, and you feel the frustration building up inside you. We've all been there. Frustrating? Absolutely. It's a universal experience that tests our patience and resilience. But what if there was a way to approach this situation, and countless others, with a sense of calm and even opportunity? Imagine transforming this stressful moment into a chance for personal growth. Enter Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that offers practical wisdom for navigating life's inevitable ups and downs. It's a guide to finding peace amidst chaos. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or becoming an unfeeling robot. It's about embracing our humanity while maintaining inner tranquility. It's about understanding what we can and cannot control and making peace with that distinction. Focusing our energy on the former, the things within our power to change, and facing the latter with courage and reason. By doing so, we can navigate life's challenges with a sense of purpose and serenity. Born in the bustling heart of ancient Athens, a city known for its rich history and intellectual vibrancy, Stoicism is a school of Hellenistic philosophy that emphasizes virtue, reason, and living in accordance with nature. It was founded by Zeno of Citium around 300 BCE. Think of it as a toolkit for building mental resilience and navigating life's challenges with grace and clarity. It teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. Key figures like Epictetus, a former slave who became a renowned philosopher, emphasized the importance of inner freedom and self-discipline. And Seneca, a Roman statesman and writer, championed Stoic principles, offering practical advice on how to live a virtuous life amidst the chaos of the Roman Empire. Their teachings remain surprisingly relevant today, offering timeless wisdom for dealing with stress, relationships, and the complexities of modern life, and the pursuit of a meaningful life. Stoicism encourages us to find joy and contentment in the present moment, regardless of external circumstances. Stoicism reminds us that while we can't control everything that happens to us, we can control our reactions. This philosophy teaches us to cultivate a mindset of calm and rationality. And in that space between stimulus and response lies our greatest power. It is in this space that we can choose our actions and shape our destiny. One of Stoicism's central tenets is the dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot. This simple yet profound principle can transform our lives. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions? Those are our domain. We have the power to shape them. The weather, traffic, or the opinions of others? Not so much. These are beyond our control. This doesn't mean we should become passive observers in our own lives. On the contrary, instead, Stoicism encourages us to direct our energy towards what we can influence. This proactive approach empowers us. We can choose how we react to a difficult colleague, maintaining our composure and integrity. How we prepare for a presentation, ensuring we are well prepared and confident. Or how we cultivate our inner world, nurturing our mental and emotional well-being. By focusing on what we can control, we gain a sense of agency and empowerment, even in the face of external challenges. This mindset helps us navigate life's uncertainties with grace and resilience. Let's be honest, life throws curveballs. Stoicism doesn't deny this reality. Instead, it encourages us to view adversity as an opportunity for growth. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca wrote, "Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end." Imagine losing your job. Devastating? Absolutely. But instead of succumbing to despair, Stoicism suggests reframing the situation. Could this be a chance to pursue a long-held passion? This isn't about toxic positivity or ignoring the pain of setbacks. It's about recognizing that within every challenge lies the potential for learning, growth, and a new beginning. Enjoying the video? If you're intrigued, hit the like button and share it with someone who'd love it too. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss more mind-expanding content. The journey of Stoicism is ongoing, and each step you take brings you closer to mastering your inner domain. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. Until next time, stay strong, stay serene, and keep growing.